Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to enable speak to chat mode for your headphones Sony XM6. You have to start by open Sony Sound Connect application, and if you add your headphones to the application you will see it in the application. Now you need to scroll down, and right here we have speak to chat, so we can enable it right here, or we can go to the device settings. Then in the sound we also have this speak to chat mode, and right here we have this slider. If it have empty background, it means that it's disabled, and to enable just tap on it. The same when it have colorful background, it means that it's enabled, and to disable it, just tap on it. Now, what this speak to chat mode do? It's the same as what AirPods have on iPhone. It's called conversation awareness, and it when you start to speak, it will lower the volume of your song, and it will enable transparency mode, so you can easily speak with someone without remove your headphones, without turn off your music. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave a like on the video. See you later.